A few years ago, I struggled with dull skin, hair fall, and feeling tired every morning. But after years of try and error, I finally created a morning routine that helped me glow from inside out naturally. And today I am sharing it with you. If you also struggle with morning laziness, dull skin, this routine will transform your morning. So let's start. First thing I do after waking up is drinking warm lemon water. It flushes out toxins, hydrates my skin, improves digestion, and even promotes hair growth. Someday I add chia seeds for extra nourishment, and trust me, this one habit alone has made a huge difference. Next, I focused on oral hygiene. Cleaning your tongue is essential for gut health, which directly affects your skin. I also do oil pulling with coconut oil for 5 minutes. It's an Ayurvedic technique that detoxifies the body and strengthens your teeth. Before I jump into my skincare routine, I like to move my body. Just 5 minutes of stretching or deep breathing increases blood circulation, which gives a natural glow to skin. It also helps me feel more energetic and focused throughout the day. Now let's get into skincare. I always start with a gentle face cleanser to remove any oil or dirt from the night. Then I use a toner like rose water to refresh my skin. My favorite part is applying a serum. It helps brighten the skin and fade dark spot. Then I lock in the hydration with a lightweight moisturizer. And finally, the most important step, sunscreen. Never skip the step if you want healthy skin in a long run. For hair care, I keep it simple in the morning. If it's an oiling day, I apply a few drops of coconut oil to my scalp. Otherwise, I just brush my hair with a white tooth comb and always use a scrunchie to prevent breakage. Finally, I never skip breakfast because what we eat directly impact our skin and hair. I go for something rich in vitamin and protein like soaked almond, smoothie bowl or oats. This keep me full and give my skin a natural glow. And that's my simple morning routine for glowy skin and healthy hair. This habit that truly changes my morning, and I hope they help you too. Tell me in the comment one habit you will start following from today. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more skincare and self-care videos. See you in my next video.